Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Trello boards. You might be wondering what exactly is a Trello board, how does it work and why it is so popular. Well, Trello is a powerful tool with an outstanding user interface that helps you organize projects and tasks. It is designed for individuals and teams, allowing you to collaborate seamlessly and manage your work in real time. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Trello board directly into Google Sheet with Google Apps Script and Trello API. So if you ever wanted to connect Trello with Google Sheet and make your workflow more smoother and efficient, this video is definitely for you. Now you can see this is my Trello board account. Now in my workspace there is nothing created. This is the Google Sheet. I will first show you the integration in between Google Sheet and Trello board. So here now you can see I have added some patient's data. This is the date when they last visited in the chamber, or you can consider as nursing home, hospital or clinic center, whatever. There's a lot of details. Now you can see patient name, age, language, phone number and all these things. But for your information, this number are not valid. For privacy reason, I changed the number. Anyway, so here in the K column, how much they paid, and the most important thing is in L column is appointment date. So basically this Google Sheet should work in that way that every day the patient who have appointment, their data should be listed in Trello board so that we can easily handle the patient and we can understand which all patients have appointment for today. For example, today is 15th September. Okay, now you can see this is the 15th September. It means this patient have appointment for today. And for this one and for this patient, they all have appointment for today. So basically this system should work automatically, but for now I want to show you the demo. That's why I will run the script manually. So here now you can see the button. So if I press on this button, the app script will start execution, and you can see the green background for visual purposes to identify the patient who have appointment for today. Patients have appointment. That's why their background is now converted as green. Now if I go back in my Trello, here you can see still there is nothing. So now if I reload it, hopefully we can see newly created board. Yes, now you can see this is my workspace, and now this is the board is created. So now you can see why there is okay. Now you can see this is the board, this is the board name, and this is the list patients appointment on 15th September. Now you can see there is many patients, all the patients basically who have appointment today. Now if I click on it, now you can see we can see all the details of this patient. This is the patient name, and here last visit date, and the most important thing is the phone number. And I can write here the comment. Anyone can write the comment here who have access in this Trello, basically who all are working collaboratively in Trello. In a hospital, maybe there will be receptionist, doctor and hospital staff, and maybe many other persons. Anyway, so how this Trello board is more helpful thing to handle this thing. So I'll show you that. For example, I am a receptionist. So what I'll do when this patient came to this hospital and paid the amount for consultation, so what I'll do, I will just move, drag, and I will place here this patient already paid and ready for and ready for consultation with doctor. And again, this patient, and this patient. Okay, now just think all these patients, they already came and they paid the amount for consultation with the doctor. And when doctor is ready to consult with this patient, so what I'll do, I'll send this patient to doctor's room. And when the consultation is done, what doctor will do, doctor will just send this patient to this done list, and at the same time he will mark as complete. Okay, I will send the next patient, and when the consultation is done, doctor will send in this done list. That way basically it will work. And if any patient um, uh, does not visit the chamber or hospital, so I'll click on, and then I will get the phone number. I will directly call and I will reschedule the appointment date, or we can take the action as per their information. Anyway, I think this is the basic features and general features of Trello board. Not only this type of doctor and patient management, but also you can use Trello for different purposes. You can handle your lot of tasks and projects. That way you can assign the project to your member, your colleague, and that way you can work in Trello board. I think that's all in this video. I tried to cover the integration in between Trello and Google Sheet and the basic features you can use in the Trello board and how basically it works. There is some more features. You can add comment, you can add attachment and lot of things. You can check this Trello later. Anyway, in next video I am going to show you in detail of Trello API. I mean how to collect Trello API credential like API key, API token, Trello board ID, and how to send API request. Maybe I will use Postman tool to create this type of board automatically, then list, and how to create the card inside the list automatically. All these things I will show you in the next video. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.